Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Kumar EduTech. Today we will discuss about classification of platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes means flatworms. Body is dorsoventrally compressed body is called as platyhelminthes. Phylum Platyhelminthes divided into three classes. First one, Turbellaria. Number two, Trematoda, and number three, Cystoda. This classification is Hyman classification. In this first Turbellaria, class 1. Turbellaria. Turbella means a little string. Turbellaria means little string animals is called as Turbellaria. All are aquatic and free living animals. So it is commonly called as planarians. Mostly all are aquatic, but some are terrestrial. And in these organisms body is covered by epidermis. And these organisms are ecto and endocommensals. These organisms are only commensals. Commensals means free living organisms. So these organisms depends on other organisms but no harm to host is called as commensals. So these are ecto or endocommensals. Digestive system is present but incomplete. Next, main important character is sense organs. Sense organs are tango and chemoreceptors. Next, sense organs are tango and chemoreceptors. Next point, respiratory system, and circulatory systems are absent. Excretion done by protonephridia. These are bisexual organisms and life cycle is complicated and development is indirect. Indirect development is occurs in this Muller larva is present. Next class, Trematoda. It is also called as flukes. And body is covered by tegument. These organisms are ecto and endoparasites. Digestive system is present mouth, in this mouth and pharynx is present but bifurcated intestine intestine is occurs. Then next point, sense organs. Sense organs are absent. Sense organs are absent. Next, bisexual. Bisexual organisms. Life cycle. Life cycle is complicated. Complicated. And development. Development is indirect development. Indirect development. In larval forms, Redia, for example, Redia, Sarcaria, Metasarcaria, and Miracidium, etc. Class 3, Cystoda. Kestos. Kestos means girdle. Girdle. So these are also parasites. Ectoparasites. These are endoparasites or intestinal parasites. And body is covered by tegument with microvilli-like structure. Microvilli-like structures are present. Next, body is divided into three parts. Scolex, neck, and scrobila. Digestive system is absent, and sense organs also absent. And adhesive substances like hooks and suckers are present. And development is indirect development. Classification of Platyhelminthes. So first, Turbularia, Trematoda, and Cystoda. These Turbularians are also called as planarians. And Trematoda, it is commonly known as flukes. And class Cystoda, it is commonly known as tapeworms.